In this video, I'm going to show you how to celebrate a work anniversary in LinkedIn profile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to linkedin.com, make sure to sign into your account. Once you've signed in, where it says start a post, click onto that. And then from here, it will say, what do you want to talk about? Below that, we've got some options. So it says here, add media, create an event, or celebrate an occasion. So click on celebrate an occasion. From here, we've got work anniversary, so we can celebrate a career milestone. So go ahead and click onto that. We can add a photo if you've got a photo you'd like to use, or we can use a pre-made one here below. I'm just going to use one of these and then click next. Then from here, we can add more information about your work anniversary, how many years you've been at the company, etc. Or celebrating key projects you worked on and milestones within the company. And now also using hashtags is a powerful tool to increase the outreach of your post. And now once you've created your post, go ahead and click on create post, or we can schedule this for a later date if you like. So we can schedule this at a certain date and time. Then click next, and then that will be scheduled out, or it will be posted instantly if you're going to go ahead and click on that post button.